Question 10 is ship moving with velocity v1 is equals to 30 I cap plus 50 j cap from position 0, 0 and ship b moving with velocity v2 is equals to minus 10 I cap from position 80, 150. The time of for minimum separation is okay. So here velocity v1 of ship 1 is 30 I cap plus 50 j cap. This means 30 unit in positive x direction in I cap direction and 50 in j cap direction from the position 0, 0. So the starting position of ship 1 is or ship A is 0, 0 or we can say origin, whereas ship B is moving with the velocity of v2 it's minus 10 I cap from position 80, 150. So the starting position of ship B is 80, 150. So we have to basically find out the time for minimum separation between the ships. Okay, so let's move on to the solution. Okay, so here v1 velocity v1 is the velocity of ship A, it is 30 I cap plus 50 j cap, and r is the distance between both ships, that is minus 80 I cap minus 150 j cap. v2 is the velocity of ship 2, that is minus 10 I cap. Okay. So we'll use this formula v dot r, we'll take dot product of v and r divided by v square. Okay, so here v would be modulus v. Okay, so dot product will be in between v1 and r, that is 30 I cap plus 50 j cap and minus 80 I cap minus 50 150 j cap. Okay, and we'll find out modulus of v1, that is 30 I cap plus 50 j cap. So after putting these values and solving, we will get 2.6. Okay, so option C would be the correct option.